A Swagbucks app update can sometimes change how the app works, which means older settings, permissions, or app data may need to be refreshed before features work normally again. By the end, you'll know the steps to fix common Swagbucks problems after an update, including login issues, missing features, and app loading errors. First, check whether you are using the latest version of the Swagbucks app. Open your device's App Store, search for Swagbucks, and install any available update. An incomplete update can leave the app running with outdated files. If the app opens but features are missing, restart your phone before trying anything else. A device restart can reload app permissions and background processes that affect how the app runs. Next, check your internet connection. Swagbucks needs an active connection to load account information, offers, and rewards. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem changes. If you are on Android, clear the Swagbucks app cache from your phone settings. Cached files can become outdated after an update and may cause loading problems. If you are on iPhone, deleting and reinstalling the Swagbucks app can refresh the app data. Before reinstalling, make sure you know the email address connected to your Swagbucks account so you can sign back in. If your points, offers, or account details look incorrect after the update, check your account directly through the Swagbucks website. This helps confirm whether the problem is only inside the app. For login problems, reset your password using the account recovery option instead of creating a new account. Creating another account can cause account confusion and may affect your reward history. If none of these steps fix the issue, contact Swagbucks support with details about your device, app version, the problem you see, and any error message shown on screen. The quickest fixes are updating the app, restarting your device, refreshing app data, and confirming your account login details. Start with the app update and restart because those steps solve many temporary problems without changing your account settings. If this guide helped you fix a Swagbucks update issue, subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides and practical fixes.